Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be discussing about Altseason. When is it going to start? When is going to be the exact date, and how long are we going to have this Altseason? And also, I will mention a price prediction for a good altcoin like a layer one blockchain ecosystem, which could be doing very well with a quite high price prediction for this altcoin season. So, of course, guys, stay with me until the end because it is going to blow your mind, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, right away today I'm going to talk about SUI USDT. SUI is a very good coin which I think has a bright future ahead, but as any other altcoin, aka shit coins, they're going to probably pump like crazy and then dump to all of you. So again, as I said before, all the time, remember, don't marry your altcoins, guys. Altcoins are super volatile. They can go up like crazy, they can go down like crazy. So you need to learn how to trade. Otherwise, you're going to get wrecked. So first of all, I want to show you today about when it's going to be starting alt season, what we're going to see our altcoins to pump to the moon. So everybody's going to get so excited. So, and then, we're gonna see coins like Sui and so many other altcoins to pump to the infinity, so we can make a crazy amount of money. And of course, guys, if you know how to understand the breakouts and when all these coins are gonna pump, then you're gonna be at an advantage. For example, like in our VIP group, guys, this is our premium group where we analyze altcoins every single day before coins are about to break out. So what we can do, we can analyze through technical analysis and macroeconomics when these coins are going to break, so we can make a crazy amount of money. As you can see, our member, guys, we are a community of pro members. You can see the results they're making every single day. The results are insane, like absolutely insane, making money every single day. And we are not stopping here. We're not stopping until we are going to become the number one trading community in the world, because the results, as you can see here, we have over 90% success rate. And I can tell you, when our season is going to come, we are going to buy every possible coin and make a crazy ton amount of money. So if you want to be on the sideline and not understanding when these altcoins are going to pump, be my guest. But if you want to be in the real group, in the VIP group, we are going to make so much money. So if you want to join, guys, link in the description below. Anyway, let's talk about now alt season. I'm going to open my Bitcoin dominant chart, guys. The alt season is going to start when this Bitcoin dominance chart is going to start to trend to the downside. So pretty much, what is market cap Bitcoin dominance is all the amount of Bitcoin, all the amount of investors who are putting money into Bitcoin. So right now, 57% of people are putting money into BTC because they're scared about the economy and blah, blah, blah. And therefore, this Bitcoin dominance keeps going to the upside. What we want to see right now from here, guys, I want to see Bitcoin dominance to really reach this level over here, which is sitting at roughly 59 to 60%. Why? Because we have so many convergences, over here, from this point over here to this area over here, which is the golden pocket of our Fibonacci retracement. That's the reason why I did it from there. You can see that the 61.8 is matching exactly this line over here. But also you can see that right now with BTC, we are in the dominance. We're pretty much into what we call a rising wedge. The rising wedge, it's or like a rising channel, is a pattern that pretty much is gonna get exhausted at a certain point of time, potentially around here. And then what I could be seeing from that point over there could be a tipping point around here. And when it's gonna go there, Bitcoin is going to go in potentially around 85 to 90K. So I want to see Bitcoin just leading the show, taking all the money away from altcoins, pumping to 85 to 90K. And then that's what I want to see, a big rejection from here. Bitcoin dominance to lose down very heavily until potentially March, April 2025. And then from there, I want to see altcoins to go ballistic. But there is something very important, guys. That's why I always say not to marry your altcoins. Is the fact that once you're gonna go over here, which I believe it could be happening roughly around November, December 2024. Because looking at the chart from here, we don't have lots of time left. So when the Fed will cut interest rates, I can see Bitcoin really going up like crazy, 85 to 90K. And then from here, what I would like to see is going to be touching this point over here, Bitcoin going down again to 70, 75, this one to go down, And then once it's gonna break here, guys, altcoin season is gonna start. Altcoins are gonna pump like crazy. Retail is gonna get so excited, calling for $100,000 Bitcoin and blah blah blah. And of course, is going to trap so many people. So from here until, let's say, March, April 2025, then a big drop down to this area over here. Again, another golden pocket area, looking at our Fibonacci retracement down to the 61.878.6. So probably I'm expecting 75 from here, and it's going to be like our nice line of support from here. And then after this, guys, if when we're gonna hit the recession, global recession, Bitcoin dominance is going to do this pretty much. It's going to go from here and then shoot up probably up to 70, 75%. If it's going to be good for altcoins, no, guys, we're going to get completely destroyed. It's the same thing when we saw Bitcoin in 2022, I believe so. It was 22 when Bitcoin dominance started to go up again from here, from the low to the bottom, from the low to the top, guys. That was incredible. 2018 as well, when Bitcoin went to 20,000 and then it started to go down. Look what happened. Bitcoin dominance went up. Altcoins lost like 99% of their value. So from here to here, guys, global recession, I'm expecting BTC dominance back to here, 75, 80%. Altcoins are going to get decimated. But it doesn't mean that, we're not going to have an opportunity, guys. Of course, we're going to have an opportunity right now. But what you need to understand, that's why I'm telling you, join the VIP group, because you need to know exactly the points where this is going to happen. And we have information data every single day. We don't just post a YouTube video 5 minutes like I do on YouTube for free. We post every single day, multiple times a day. So every altcoin you want, even a request. So if you're an investor, trader, all of that, guys, we cover anything that you need to know for this Bitcoin season. So right now, again, I would say altcoins to stall a little bit until November, December. Let's let Bitcoin to pump, and then the alt season is going to start. But now let's talk about SUI, guys. SUI USDT. I'm going to go on to the daily chart first of all to show you, midterm, short term, what could be happening right now. I mean, SUI had a beautiful breakout 2 days ago on this area. Right now, it's pumping. It pump up to 1.12. And right now, what I could be seeing, maybe one more final pump to the upside from here. And then what I could be expecting could be a retest of this line over here and maybe 0.75 to 80 cents. And this is going to be in line if Bitcoin, of course, is going to retrace in the next few days. But what I could be seeing from here could be a retracement down to this area, 78.80, and then a continuation to the upside. Of course, it will take a little bit of time. It will take maybe a month for all of this to occur, but that's what I can see. And looking at the chart from here, guys, the chart looks very bullish. And I'm gonna go and give you now the prediction that you were waiting for, and I'm gonna show you from here. I'm gonna go on the weekly chart, and as you can see, this is my prediction, guys. So lots of people are saying, oh, it's impossible. SUI is not gonna go higher. We're gonna see max or previous all-time high. Well, guys, SUI is quite of a new coin, and new coins I think they can pump quite well compared to the others. So I would say that the idea for me to draw all these lines over here, right, was in fact utilizing the Fibonacci extension plus channels, because of course we don't have enough information available. And also another thing you can do, you can utilize the RSI, draw a line from here to here. So even, let's say, for example, that we're going to see what we call the bearish divergence on the RSI, which is pretty much the price doing this, going up, and you see the RSI going down this way. Even if you're going to see an RSI which is going to be over, going to this area, and of course showing like a bearish divergence, I'm expecting SUI to really go at least up to this area over here. I'm going to show you the levels in a second, but what I want to show you is that we could be going from here, and then from there we're going to be in trouble and then go down again. So what I'm looking for as well is the fact that you can see, just cancel the RSI. Here we go. I'm going to bring it back again. So look at this, for example. If I'm going to go and go from this point over here to this point over here, right? So you can see the SUI was around this area, and then it went up to this area from roughly 50 to $230, right? So it's like big number from here. So even if you're gonna go from here to here, right, and then this is gonna be from here to here, you can see the SUI could go easily around this area over here. Now, what is very important to remember, guys, that this is crypto, is not the stock market, is not your bank stock or whatever. Crypto is very volatile. So what you need to do, and this is financial advice, you need to take profits. So what I'm saying from here, right? Can you see that I would say highest expectation for sure is going to be $7, right? So I think that we could be reaching $7, which is roughly a 8x from here. But you need to be mindful that all these lines over here, for example, this line over here, this line over here, all are very important level where you could be seeing a drastic breakdown or rejection. So what I'm gonna do, let's say for example, I hold $100,000 of SUI. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to sell potentially 25% here, 30% here, 30% here, 20% here. I'm not gonna go and just wait for SUI to go to $7 because it might not happen. But what you need to be mindful is that at this level over here, it might be a rejection like this, here, or even here. So it's very important to manage your money by taking out some profits, every time we're gonna go higher. But of course, if I have a look at the price prediction for this bull run for SUI, and again, I'm sorry if I disappoint you. Some people were telling me that we're gonna see SUI going to $100, whatever. I think I don't know what they're taking, what kind of drugs they're taking, but anyway, what I could see from here is that SUI will go to, I would say, in between these two areas over here. So over here, it's gonna be in between $3.30 to $6, $7. That's what I'm expecting to go to. And then from here, of course, we're going to be seeing this. And then see you later, altcoins. Altcoin season is over. And I'm pretty sure lots of retail traders, because they're not in the VIP group, but they don't know how to trade, they're going to get completely bashed. So if you want to really understand all of these guys, the only way to go is to know technical analysis, or to follow somebody that knows, like we know over here, and to make money. So guys, SUI, very good coin. So expecting lots from it into this altcoin season starting potentially December, January 2025. My target in between, I would say $3.30 to $7. That's going to be my higher target. It's going to go to 100, maybe. I really hope for you, but I'm not a dreamer. I'm a trader, so I like to have more conservative targets. But anyway, even if it goes to $4, $5, a 5x from here, I would be extremely happy. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. And please leave me in the comment down below any altcoins you would like me to analyze next and to give you a price prediction. Take care, and I'm going to see you soon.